Hi, it's JoElla Milan, licensed esthetician. And as you could tell, I've already got something on my face. I put it on earlier for the sake of time. You can see it already doing its work here. I've introduced two of my great masks this last week, and this is part of the kit of the Unveil Firming Mask Kit. This is just the Unveil Peel. The Unveil Peel that comes in the Unveil Peel kit. And this product alone is great. Together with the firming mask, it's incredible results. You get ultra firming and a lot of benefits. But this alone, also you get firming, and you get, it sloughs off all the dead skin cells, cleans out the pores, lightly exfoliates the skin. You might even see after you do this treatment that you might peel a little bit. You might and you might not. I don't, but I know that you can. And it could be used also for sensitive skin. But you can see it working here. You know, it's gotten tighter. Not like the other one. If I had the mask mixed in with this, which is what you do with the kit, it would be real firm and very noticeable. So here it just looks smooth but tight. So I just wanted to bring your attention to this because this is going to be on my website also now too. Or for you that have the kits, you can use this to follow up in between and just use it as a touch-up. You only need a little teeny weeny tiny bit, so you have plenty to mix in with your mask too that comes in the kit. So I have it on, and I'm going to take it off now. You know, it makes it a little bit red. It's got cinnamon oil in it, so not only it makes it smell good, but it does make it feel a little bit warm and a little bit, that's where the redness comes in. You know, the ingredients are on my website. This is not as hard to get off as the mask is with when it's mixed in with the ultra firming mask. That one takes a lot more effort to get off the face, but this is such a good touch-up. And you can see I'm a little bit red. And what I've noticed, like, you know, I did this the other day, and, you know, I have issues with, you know, sun sometimes on my face. Because being a California girl, I've had so many things that I've had to have burned off my face because of all my sun abuse when I was a youngster. But I noticed I had like a little dry spot here and another little dry spot there, which is actually healing. And this in time is going to make that better so that those little spots are going to go away. And it's interesting too, and I don't know if any of you have that, but right here, I have this hair that comes out maybe 3 times a year. Not all the time, just once in a while. And when it comes out, it seems like it just almost like a piece of grass coming out of the blacktop. It just comes out of there and just causes me so much problems. And, you know, I try to tweeze it out and then it comes back. And well, anyway, I did this mask the other day and now it's pretty much gone. You know, it finally helped it. So I thought, boy, that's a good thing. But see, this is so great. And again, I'm doing this because since I brought out the, you know, the Unveil Mask and Peel, it's been selling like crazy. So I just wanted to show you one more thing that you can do with this. So I pretty much have this off. And I'll be red for a little while. You know, it's not going to stay red. I just red temporarily. And then the sponge also, you know, it's like exfoliates it and it makes it a little bit red too. So anyway, that's all taken care of. And then what I do, as always, I follow up a little bit with the JoElla Milan Capture Youth Ladder. I do this after everything, before everything or after everything. But I find now I just sprayed a little on my hands and I'm going to rub it in my skin. Because this calms it and smooths it and makes my skin look firm and tight. So I put that on. And I would also suggest if you have one of your favorite serums, you know, hyaluronic acid or anything that you might have that you want to use after, I would put it on. So this is, you could either do this before bedtime, and like right now, I'm going to be, maybe in about another 10 minutes, I'll go up and put a little bit of tinted sunscreen on, a little bit of makeup on before I go out. But my face already feels good, and it feels tight. Looks good, and I'm excited to show this to you. And if you have any questions, call me on my toll-free number, or you can send me an email, and I'm happy to help you. Thank you. Bye.